Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I got a solid 8 hours. Yeah, I got a solid 8 hours.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m. to get a head start on the day. Around 6:30 a.m. to get a head start on the day.
What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast?
I'm thinking of having some oatmeal and fruit. I'm thinking of having some oatmeal and fruit.
Do you have a busy day ahead? Do you have a busy day ahead?
It's packed, back-to-back meetings. It's packed, back-to-back meetings.
What are you doing after work? What are you doing after work?
Probably just going to hit the gym. Probably just going to hit the gym.
How was your day? How was your day?
Not bad, just the usual work stuff. Not bad, just the usual work stuff.
What's for dinner? What's for dinner?
I'm in the mood for some stir-fry tonight. I'm in the mood for some stir-fry tonight.
Need help with anything? Need help with anything?
Could you help me with these groceries? Could you help me with these groceries?
What time is our appointment tomorrow? What time is our appointment tomorrow?
It's at 10 a.m. We shouldn't be late. It's at 10 a.m. We shouldn't be late.
Did you finish your project? Did you finish your project?
Yes, finally submitted it yesterday. Yes, finally submitted it yesterday.
Do we need to do some shopping? Do we need to do some shopping?
Yeah, we're out of milk and eggs. Yeah, we're out of milk and eggs.
What's on TV tonight? What's on TV tonight?
I think there's a new episode of our favorite show. I think there's a new episode of our favorite show.
Do you have any plans for the next holiday? Do you have any plans for the next holiday?
I might visit my relatives or take a short trip. I might visit my relatives or take a short trip.
How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee?
Black with just a hint of sugar. Black with just a hint of sugar.
What's a skill you've recently learned? What's a skill you've recently learned?
I've gotten better at cooking Thai food. I've gotten better at cooking Thai food.
What's cooking tonight? What's cooking tonight?
Thinking of making spaghetti. Thinking of making spaghetti.
What's your favorite way to relax? What's your favorite way to relax?
A good book or a long bath. A good book or a long bath.
What's been the best part of your week? What's been the best part of your week?
Finally finished a big project at work. Finally finished a big project at work.
What's something you're looking forward to? What's something you're looking forward to?
A friend's wedding next month. A friend's wedding next month.
How was your trip last weekend? How was your trip last weekend?
Awesome. The beach was relaxing. Awesome. The beach was relaxing.
What's a recent challenge you've overcome? What's a recent challenge you've overcome?
I finally organized my home office. I finally organized my home office.
How was the traffic coming home? How was the traffic coming home?
Surprisingly smooth for a change. Surprisingly smooth for a change.
Any plans for the evening? Any plans for the evening?
Thinking of watching a movie. Thinking of watching a movie.
How do you like to spend time outdoors? How do you like to spend time outdoors?
I walk in the park is always nice. I walk in the park is always nice.
How's the family doing? How's the family doing?
Everyone's doing well, thank you. Everyone's doing well, thank you.
What's a good way to show gratitude? What's a good way to show gratitude?
A heartfelt thank you note. A heartfelt thank you note.
Do you have any favorite YouTube channels? Do you have any favorite YouTube channels?
I follow a few travel vloggers for inspiration. I follow a few travel vloggers for inspiration.
Have you been on any day trips recently? Have you been on any day trips recently?
Went to a nearby hiking trail, it was refreshing. Went to a nearby hiking trail, it was refreshing.